this is how we chat for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you if your clone version of HK9 Ultra 2, that is the clone of Ultra, Apple Watch Ultra 2, can get a WhatsApp notification or not. You see, this is iPhone 14 Plus, I have here original, and this is HK9 Ultra. So this watch is connected with this phone and I didn't do anything for WhatsApp and notification. So the purpose here would be showing you if this watch get the notification without any setup or not. So I'm using Samsung S22 Ultra, sending message to iPhone to see if I get notification to the watch or not. So I put here, for example, hello to my account, another WhatsApp account. I hit there, let's see, and we'll wait. Let's see. You see, I get the notification there. Let's see here. The top is arrived. You see Harry and Jeffrey. Hello. So, and here we touch iPhone. So you can see here you get the notification. So I will call now. Let's see calling is working or not. I'm calling from this one to another. It's working, the calling option. That is amazing. It's a cheap watch, duplicate version. The calling is working. I answered the call here. Let's see. Hello. Hello. I think it's working. You can attend the call. You can talk as well. So that is lovely to know that. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.